Welcome. Welcome to my channel Deep Learning Biology. My name is Dr. Vikas Bhardwaj. Through this video, I am going to teach you about endomembrane system. Endomembrane system. Now, if you are going to read NCERT Biology book, you will not have clarity about endomembrane system. Just listen carefully. Try to see here. You must be knowing the cell. Okay, let's take animal cell. Okay, animal cell, if you see and compare it with bacterial cell, the bacterial cell is small in size and animal cell, it is bigger in size. And if you are going to have something big, okay, the cell, what they are going to have? They are going to have compartmentalization. Now, within the animal cell, within the plant cell, within the eukaryotic cell, what you are going to see? Organelles. Okay, so there are compartments which are known as organelles, and these organelles, they carry out some specialized activity. Now, here in the case of organelles, many of the organelles, they are working in interconnected way. They are connected, okay, their work is coordinated, and their membrane also, you can say, get exchanged. Okay, so here in the endomembrane system, you are going to have organelles which are going to share their membranes, and they are working in coordinated manner. Now here, to understand what are the organelles which are the part of endomembrane system, just focus. Okay, so here you must be knowing in animal cell, on the outside you are going to have plasma membrane. Okay, and in the inside, you know, there is a nucleus, and around the nucleus there is nuclear membrane. So our story will start from nuclear membrane. Keep in mind, nuclear membrane is part of endomembrane system. Okay, so one is nuclear membrane, and if you see the nuclear membrane, it is in direct contact with the endoplasmic reticulum. Hopefully you know there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. So ER membrane, they are in contact with the membranes of nuclear envelope. Okay, so just have a look into the structure. Okay, around the nucleus you are going to have network of ER. Okay, so here ER, endoplasmic reticulum, it is the part of endomembrane system. Now from the ER, what you are going to see? Vesicles, they will bud off and they will carry proteins. From the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they will carry lipids. Okay, so these vesicles, they are also the part of endomembrane system. So vesicles, they are also the part of endomembrane system. Now here, the vesicles, they will fuse, they will carry the cargo to the Golgi complex. Okay, so Golgi complex, you know very well, they are going to have flattened cisternae. Okay, so within the Golgi complex, okay, you will learn there is shorting of proteins. Okay, there is shorting of proteins. So here you can see it is going to work like a post office. It will short the biomolecules, and here the Golgi complex, its membrane, they will carry cargo from vesicles, and here what will happen, things will be sorted out, and again vesicles will bud off. Okay, so here keep in mind, Golgi complex is also the part of endomembrane system. Again from the Golgi complex, vesicles, they will come, and I have told you vesicles, the transport vesicles, they are the part of the endomembrane system. Now here, keep in mind, some of the vesicles, they will give rise to endosomes. Okay, so here endosomes, they are also the part of the endomembrane system. Lysosomes, they are also the part of the endomembrane system. Hopefully you know lysosomes, they are known as suicidal bags. Okay, so endosomes, lysosomes, they are also the part of the endomembrane system. Now here you must be knowing, within the plant cell, what you are going to see, the lysosomes, they are absent. In place of lysosomes, what you are going to have, vacuoles. Okay, yes, in the case of plants, generally you are going to have big vacuole. Okay, but here in the case of animal cells, you are also going to have small vacuoles. These vacuoles are also the part of the endomembrane system. Okay, so keep in mind, endosome, okay, lysosomes, vacuoles, they are the part of the endomembrane system. Now let's come back to Golgi complex. From Golgi complex, some of the vesicles known as secretive vesicles, they will bud off and they will go and fuse with the plasma membrane. Okay, so these vesicles, secretive vesicles, their membrane, now they will fuse with the plasma membrane. Okay, so here the vesicles, I have told you, they are the part of the endomembrane system, and plasma membrane is the part of the endomembrane system. So from this video, you must have learned that the nuclear envelope, endoplasmic reticulum, vesicles, Golgi complex, then endosomes, lysosomes, vacuoles, plasma membrane, all these are part of the endomembrane system. Now here keep in mind peroxisomes, okay, peroxisomes, mitochondria, chloroplast, okay, they are not the part of the endomembrane system. Okay, hopefully through this video you have clarity what are the organelles part of the endomembrane system. If you are going to read your NCERT biology book, okay, what information you are going to get? Only these organelles are part of the endomembrane system. But here keep in mind, these organelles are not only the part of the endomembrane system. I have told you other organelles are also the part of the endomembrane system. Okay, hopefully you have clarity. Bye bye, take care.